Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we have something truly exciting for you. We're going to show you how to make your very own vacuum cleaner using just a simple plastic bottle. It's an easy way to keep your home clean while being environmentally friendly. So, let's dive right in. Please check the description link, I will provide details information. Are you tired of using traditional vacuum cleaners that can be bulky, expensive, and consume a lot of energy? Well, we have a fantastic solution for you. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a homemade vacuum cleaner using a common household item, a plastic bottle. Not only is this method budget-friendly, but it's also an excellent way to repurpose items and reduce waste. So, let's get started. Gathering materials. First, let's gather the materials you'll need for this project. Don't worry, they're all readily available and affordable. You'll need a plastic bottle, a small high-speed motor, a battery pack, a switch, a PVC pipe, some adhesive tape, and a pair of scissors. Once you have these items ready, we can move on to the next step, preparing the bottle. Now, it's time to prepare the bottle for our vacuum cleaner. Start by removing the bottle cap and cutting off the bottom part of the bottle. Make sure to smooth out any sharp edges. This will serve as the suction nozzle. Next, create a small hole near the top of the bottle for the PVC pipe. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.